Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you Salesforce versus HubSpot, into which is known better for CRM. So first, let us discuss Salesforce. You can try the Salesforce Starter Suite for free. Unite marketing, sales, and service in a single app. Try the Salesforce Starter Suite today. There is nothing to install. No credit card is required. Learn what Salesforce products can do for you. Small business sales, service, and email outreach tools in a single app. Sales Cloud. Close more deals and speed up growth with the #1 CRM. Service Cloud. Make customers happy and build loyalty with Service Cloud. Marketing Cloud. Build customer relationships for life with data-first digital marketing. Salesforce is the world's most trusted customer relationship management platform. They help your marketing, sales, commerce, service, and IT teams work as one from anywhere, so you can keep your customers happy everywhere. Over 150,000 companies, both big and small, are growing their business with Salesforce. Try Salesforce for free. No credit card is required. No software to install. Their technology helps people create better jobs, lives, companies, and communities. Now let us discuss HubSpot. You can get free CRM software and tools for your whole team. Think CRM software is just about contact management? Think again. HubSpot CRM has free tools for everyone on your team, and it is 100% free. Here's how our free CRM solution makes your job easier. Get a real-time view of your entire sales pipeline on a visual dashboard. Access detailed reports on sales activity, productivity, and individual performance. Use those insights to track team performance and spot opportunities for growth. Enjoy unlimited data and up to 1 million contacts with no time limit or expiration date. HubSpot's customer platform also offers enterprise software for marketing, sales, customer service, content manager, and operations. Get premium versions of all the free features you see here and much more. Close more deals with less working using tools that remove friction from the sales process. Both CRMs are good. It is all up to you to decide which one suits your needs better. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.